everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. So on this channel I make mainly healthy vegan recipes, and I'm basically filming my fitness journey. So if you're interested in that, then feel free to subscribe and hit the bell button so you can be notified when I post new videos. So today's going to be a what I eat in a day fitness vlog type thing. So I'm going to be doing a yoga video because I don't really do yoga and I like it. I know there's a lot of benefits to doing yoga. Clears your mind, all that stuff. So I'm going to start doing more yoga and just workouts in general. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to be eating for the rest of the day. So I made a smoothie, but I'm only drinking half of it because I don't want to get too full while I'm working out. So I put the rest in my blender bottle. It's good. Looks a little brown, but it's delicious. It's because of the almond butter. So when I work out, sometimes I listen to music, I just dance to it. And other times I like to go on YouTube and just find a fitness video to do. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do yoga for beginners. I'm going to do this 10-minute morning yoga. So for lunch I had some kale balsamic salad with avocados and chickpeas. So here I am cooking some kale down on a skillet. I'm just adding water until it's cooked down. And once it's cooked down, I add about a teaspoon of minced garlic. And here I am slicing up half of red onion. And I drained and rinsed a can of goya chickpeas. And for the dressing, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I would normally add 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup to this, but I didn't have any, but it's still good either way. I'm just adding everything into a bowl, including the dressing. And of course, I can't forget about the avocado because avocado is just delicious and it goes good with everything. And there it is, a nice, healthy, easy, delicious salad. For dinner, I had some roasted balsamic Brussels sprouts and sweet potato and brown rice. So I have 1 cup of Uncle Ben's brown rice in here. I added some diced onion, a teaspoon of grapeseed oil, some garlic powder, and sea salt, and I just let that cook down. Here I am dicing up a pack of Brussels sprouts. Then I added it to a sheet pan and I'm seasoning it with garlic powder, black pepper, sea salt, grapeseed oil, and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. And I'm going to let that cook at 425 for 30 minutes or until it's nice and crispy. I roasted a sweet potato yesterday, so that's what I'm going to have with this. Might as well put it to good use. Who doesn't love sweet potatoes? And there it is, a very simple, healthy vegan meal. But I'm gonna finish my dinner. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.